So today we are going to do some questions on Jkas. जो series के questions कुछ रह गए थे. I had planned to do it before the exam, but due to some my personal reasons नहीं हो पाया. अब इसको finish कर देते हैं. Then we'll start some other series. So first we'll talk about these series and how the pattern follows. ये बड़ा easy है. You must have done it. So this is a complete given sequence that is 5, 6, 14, 45 and 184. तो हमें देखना है कौन सा pattern है. हमारे पास है 5, 6 and 14, 45, 184. तो this is what we have. Got it? Now we'll see कि इनमें से पैटर्न कौन सा चल रहा है. देखो, if you'll see, जब भी आप इंक्रीज करो नंबर जो बहुत ज़्यादा बन रहा है, देखो यहाँ पर 5 है, आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू 6, 6 के बाद ये बहुत ज़्यादा बन रहा है, ऑलमोस्ट डबल, देन इट ऑलमोस्ट ट्रिपल्स, देन इट ऑलमोस्ट. सो इन केसेस में ऑलमोस्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा केसेस में होता है जब एब्रप्ट इंक्रीज होता है, और कुछ केसेस में नहीं भी हो सकता है, बट देर आर मोस्ट केसेस जिनमें जब आप एब्रप्ट चेंज देखोगे इट इंडिकेट्स दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन पैटर्न इज यूज्ड. सो अगर हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव 5, व्हाट वी हैव 5, 5, 6. सो इफ यू डू लाइक दिस 5 into 1, 5 ones are. Now you will check. The next term will come into 5. 184 into 5 plus 5. This will be our next term. Got it? 25. Got it? Simple. Now let's go to the another question. Okay. So we have 12. So now we did this. Now let's check the pattern. So let's see the pattern. 12 plus 2. So देखो, आप देखो इनमें गैप बहुत कम है. जब आप नंबर्स को चेक करो गैप बहुत कम है, तो यूजुअली लगता है देयर मस्ट बी एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन. समझा? जब गैप कम हो रही हो, इंक्रीज तो हो रहा है बट गैप कम हो रही है, सो इट इंडिकेट्स प्लस हो रहा है या सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, व्हाटएवर. सो दिस दैट मीन्स प्लस 3 प्लस 4 नहीं प्लस 5, सो प्लस 5 प्लस 11, now plus 30. Now the next term will be plus 17. So 17 plus what is 17 plus 53 is? That is D. That's 70. Okay. So the answer here is 70. A part. Now let's come to the next question. 5, 7, 10, 14, 16, 21, 23, 28, 35. So we have this series 5, 7, 10. So now next two numbers क्या होने वाले? This is a question and this is a sweet question. देखो जब आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन देख रहे हो जिनके दो ऑलमोस्ट एंड पे दो आंसर, तो इनमें दो सीरीज चल रही है. ऑल्टरनेट कभी कभी एक ही चल रही होगी, कभी दो सीरीज चल रही होगी. देखो यहाँ पर देखो 7 है, इसके बाद 14 है, इसके बाद 21 है, इसके बाद 28 है, इसके बाद 35 है. द सिंपल थिंग इज दैट ये हमें 7 का टेबल बता रहा है. 7 into 1 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4, 7 into 5. The next term will come 7 into 6, and 7 into 6 is 7 6 are 42. तो यहाँ पर 42 आएगा. So either this option will come or this option will come, और कोई option नहीं आ सकता. Got it? So now let's check this. यहाँ पर 5 है, 5 we have added 5. Now we have added 6. Now we have added 7. Now we have added 8. Now we have to add 9. So 31 plus 9 is 40. So answer is option C. Understood? It's very simple, but you have to just recognize the pattern. Now this one. Now let's go to the third last question. Let's complete the series. यहाँ पर है E H V M D T R. See E, we have E. Now E plus, अगर E से हम plus 2 letters छोड़ेंगे, अगर हम 2 letters बीच में छोड़ेंगे, E F G. Now comes H. Got it? So actually we have to plus 3, or you can say plus, we have to leave, we have to subtract 2 letters in between. Either you can use the idea we have to leave 2 letters, or we can use the letters we have to add 3 letters, और हम H पर पहुँचेंगे. Now E के बाद आएगा H. H to M. H to M we have to leave 4 letters, or we have to add 5. See H I J K L M. So we have to add H से हमें 5 ऐड करना है, हम पहुँचेंगे M. Similarly M से हमें ऐड करना है कितना, कि हम पहुँचे T पर. We have to leave how many letters we have to leave? We have to leave in between how many letters we have to leave? We have to leave almost 6 letters, or we have to add 7. See here, M, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Got it? So now T के बाद क्या आएगा? Either we have to leave 8 letters between, or we have to add 9. Simple. So T, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, P, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, and C. What is the letter? C. So यहाँ पर आएगा C letter. Now click the option and you got the answer. You don't need to check another. Now if you want to check another, see here, T, U, V, V, you have to, there's only one letter between X and U. You have to add N, T, R, S, T. Now, what is the letter? P, Q, R. So P will be the answer. Either you can use both, or you can have simple done. Now let's choose. This is the series we have been given, and we have to choose the wrong series. What we have to choose? The wrong term among this. Now how we are going to do is, let's do it. So we have the series. When we have the series, now what we are thinking कि what might be wrong, यही है हमारा question. So first of all, let's do one thing. हमें ये तो पता चल रहा है difference बहुत हो रही है. So we can state कि something is doubling, something is tripling. That means multiplication is involved somewhere. So first of all, the basic thing we'll do is we'll take the difference. Now let's check the difference. So we got the differences. So 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus, we got the differences. So what, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 12 is 26, 26 plus 22 is 48, 48 plus 50 is 98, 98 plus 96 is 90, 194, 94 plus 192 is 138. Now what we have to do is, we can go further, double checking it, what is the difference between them. That's one of the approach. But the best way is to check here the pattern. And I at the first only told you, you have to check whether it is doubling or tripling. Something multiplication is involved. So let's check the multiplication. So what we'll do is, I'm judging here 6. When we double 6, we'll get 12. So in order to check it, I'm getting this idea from this end position difference also. 96, if multiplied twice, we'll get 194. So the idea I got, we have to basically double it. So when I'm doubling 12, I'm not getting 22, I'm getting 24. Suppose it's 24. Now I'm supposing it's 24. So if I'll double 24, I'll get 48. The only thing is wrong is between these 2 points. Other points carry the same pattern. So let's do now. Now I have added 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 12 is 26. Now 26 plus 24, how much it is? 26 plus 24 is 50, not 48. So there seems to be a problem. Now let's check again. 50 plus 48 is 98. This is correct, 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 and this is correct. The only one wrong is 48. So this is the wrong term. Now let's go to the another question. So I have this series 0, 3, 8, 15. What's the next? This is a simple series. Let's check how. So here you can see the sequence runs more, it increases but smoothly. That means we have to add or subtract. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. Now what will come next? Either he's using only the odd numbers. The question here is, either he's using odd numbers or he's using prime numbers. Prime numbers. So what is the question? If I use the prime number comes after 7 is 11. So if 15 plus 11 is 26, but there's no option, so that then it might be definitely odd number. So plus 9, 15 plus 9 is 24. So just take it. Got it? Simple as it is. Now here is a series again. Now this series, we have to check what is the pattern. If you will check the pattern, it runs smoothly. So we have to either add or we have to either subtract. So let's check by adding. So now I am adding it by the odd numbers. 3 plus 3 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 21 plus 11 is 32. Next odd number will be 13. So 32 plus 13 is 45. So we got the answer 45. So now we have a series 5, 17, 37, 65, 101, and what else? So now 5 plus what? Or so now we have the series. I told you it rapidly increases. Maybe now, but let's first do the subtraction and check whether what is the difference. So what is the difference between the two? Difference between the two is 12. Is 12. We have to add 12. What is the difference between the two? So difference between 5 and 7 is 12, 7 and 37 is 20, similarly 28 and 36. Now, you find any pattern between them? Is it doubling or tripling? No, it's not doubling or tripling, but there is some difference of 8. There's a difference of 8 between every one. So there will be difference of 8 here also. So out to be 44. So 44, 36 plus 8 is 44. Now, the difference after adding 101 with 44, we get 145, and that's the answer. Hence, we conclude this series. Thank you, everyone, for listening. Have a nice day.